Ciao dear Sicily lovers! Happy Sunday from Sicily and welcome to this live broadcast. Guess where I am today? I am in my town and in the town where I grew up, Termini Imerese. Termini Imerese is a small village in the area of Palermo. It's about 30 minutes far from Palermo, and it's the town where I grew up. It was one of the most important Greek colonies, and the name Himera is related to an important battle that was took place about 400 before Christ between people from here and the Carthaginians. And also the name is related to the terms the hot water. And now it's a time to discover some scenes related to Christmas, some nativity scenes. They plan a festival named La Via dei Presepi. It means the nativity scenes street, and so in most churches they set up a nativity scene, and we can start from this church. It's very small, but it's very can I say cute, and we will discover why. But before starting this live broadcast, please let me say hello to Gianca. Gianca is at home, is working, and is planning a tour of Sicily for next year. And so if you want to book a trip to Sicily with us, visit our website bestmeanstodoinsicily.com and send your inquiry. We look forward to taking care of you. And who is holding the camera today? Oh, I'm really happy to show you my dear friend Matteo. Matteo, come with me.
Hi, dear Sicily lovers.
Matteo is a friend of mine. Is my best friend's son, and is young, very young. Is only 16 years old. So a very young man. I'm luckier today. So let's discover this church. It's named Sant'Orsola Church. Let's see. Come with me, Matteo. Ciao! Siamo in diretta in America, volete fare un saluto? Say hello to the world.
Ciao.
They are the organizer of this wonderful Christmas setup, and as I told you, this is Sant'Orsola Church. What about this church? So this church is related to a particular priest named Santo Baddaro, right? Santo Baddaro is not a saint by church, but is a saint by locals people. It was a priest that helped poor people and the people really poor. And I forgot to tell you that Termini Imerese is divided in the upper part and in the lower part, and we are just at the beginning of the lower part. And you have to know that the upper part was the richest part of the town, while the lower part was the poor part. And so this priest decided to spend all his life taking care of all the poor people. And there is a legend, but I'm not sure it's a legend, because you know, the most of legend are, can I say, true, that every year So all the year, these priests go all around the town to help people, and was mummified, so the body is still well preserved, but the shoes was outside the can I say, the protection of the body. And every year people from the area change his shoes, because he found his shoes really worked. No, it means that all the year he goes around to help people, the poor people. And let's see in detail this church. As you can see, it's very small, and there is a small nativity scene right there inside a TV, no? È una televisione. So everything is made, and they set up all these nativity scenes are set up by local people, and there are a lot of frescoes over there. Then we have other frescoes here, and there is something particular in this church. All the frescoes are dedicated to the holy souls. So is the church dedicated to protect the dead people and the people that is going to dead. And look also at this small nativity scene. Come closer, Matteo. Another nativity scene. And this fresco is dedicated to the Madonna of the lectors. As you can see, she's writing. Let's see the other side. In a few days we are going to celebrate Maria, so the Holy Virgin. We celebrate, we call Immacolata Concezione, so Jesus' mother. And another fresco. This church is very old. Was built about the 15th century, and so it was built above 4th level. Right now we are the 4th level, and the lower level are all catacombs. As you know, I'm not so happy to visit catacombs, so we will not visit catacombs right now. Oh, look at another beautiful nativity scene here. Come closer. You can see also the everything is animated, more or less, no? Okay, let's see other 2 or 3 churches, and let's see. Ciao, Salvo, ci vediamo presto. So now steps are waiting for us, and from this street we are reaching the lower part. So as I told you, this is the beginning of the lower part. And what about you, dear Sicily lovers? What are you doing this Sunday? I can imagine that you are preparing all the dishes for the Christmas time. Write in the comments what you are going to prepare. Which are your favorite dishes during the Christmas time? During the Christmas time, we used to have big meals. Now, you know, if you have a Sicilian origin, you can remember your mother, your grandparents preparing the big Christmas meals. And you know, in Sicily, the Christmas time starts from December 8th, with the Immacolata Festa dell'Immacolata Concezione, so dedicated to the Holy Virgin, and we end the celebration on January the 6th. With the Befana. I don't remember the name in English, so the old lady bring on a, I don't remember the name, Befana, I don't remember, sorry guys. So we spend at least 1 month to enjoy the Christmas atmosphere. And in the last years, they also used to set up the Christmas lights even before. So at the end of November, locals start to set up the Christmas lights. Now, I would like to bring you into another church. It's very small, also this, but come with me, Matteo. His name Santuario Madonna della Consolazione. Consolazione means to give you the Madonna that give you relief, we can say. And inside there are beautiful stuccos of Serpotta, the famous Serpotta. And let's get inside. What do you think, Matteo? Matteo is very shy. Non essere timido. So let's see the inside. Maybe they are celebrating the Mass or not. Let's see. No, the Mass is over. Over there you can see the Virgin Mary, because on the 8th of December we have a big procession dedicated to the Holy Virgin Mary. And let's also see this area, Matteo. This is marble. Over there, San Francesco. For locals, It's a great time to meet each other, wishing the Christmas wishes. And in Termini Imerese today there is also a food festival dedicated to favazza. Favazza is a sort of spincione, so you can see also some, how can I say, food shops. Now we are going to reach the crowd. Normally Termini is very quiet, but be ready to see a lot of crowd over there. And in a couple of minutes we will reach a beautiful lights, again dedicated to the Virgin Mary. And this area is the area dedicated to all the shops. There are a lot of shopping. This is a shopping area. And I hope that Facebook doesn't cut down my live broadcast because of the music, the copyright. So please, Facebook, don't cut down my live broadcast. And facciamo vedere questa bella luce. The stabilizer is crazy today. Sorry, Matteo. And as you can see, now the crowd is starting. Come with me, Matteo. Don't be shy. Oh. Matteo, cosa diciamo a questi nostri amici?
Allora, diciamo che la storia di Termini Imerese è molto particolare perché è stata dominata...
So let me translate. So
sì.
The history of Termini Imerese is very special because...
Perché è stata dominata da diverse popolazioni, come un po' tutta la Sicilia.
So we are a melting pot like all Sicily, no? We had a lot of dominations, and so we are very rich in our culture, right?
Traduzione, prego.
Siamo molto ricchi nella nostra cultura.
Ovviamente.
And now it's time to see another church, and we are getting inside to another church. Let me switch. So we are getting inside the Chiesa di San Raffaele. Okay. So here we are in another church, and it's time to discover other nativity scenes. We can start this way. Matteo, follow me. As I told you, everything is handmade, so it's handmade thanks to the love of the locals. Let's see. You can see all the details.
Vabbè, tu sì,
Also this one, look at this, is set up inside the cart.
Aspetta che ti schiacciano qua.
You can admire all the details. And this one is made with wood. And now the part dedicated to all the food is starting. In the meantime, guys, let me thank you for all the other orders that we are receiving from our online store. Oh my God! Gianca is taking care of planning of the Sicily tours for next year, but I'm taking care of the online store. And wow, guys, unbelievable! Thanks to the Black Friday and also the Christmas gifts, it's unbelievable. So thank you so much. And if you want to have an authentic piece of Sicily, just visit our online store, SicilyLovers.com, and enjoy your shopping. Now let's see the last church before ending this live broadcast. So this one is the San Giuseppe Church, dedicated to San Joseph, and there is also a cute nativity scene. Let's see. Vediamo se riusciamo ad andare più vicino.
In questo momento sono dentro la chiesa quella che c'è di fronte a Edico, Roberta. Tu dove sei? Ah, ok, sei da fuori, dove sei?
Aspetta la zia.
Andiamo. Mamma.
Ciao dear Sicily lovers! Sorry, the internet connection fell down inside the church and we didn't say you goodbye. Enjoy your Sunday and we love you. See you in the next days. Again, enjoy your Sunday and God bless you for your love. Now it's time to say bye-bye together, Matteo. Do you know?
Sì.
Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao dear Sicily lovers. Ciao, ciao.